What if I told you? This creature shouldn't exist. A mammal that lays eggs, a duck with venomous claws, a hunter that sees electricity. For centuries, scientists thought it was a hoax, but the platypus is real, and it's hiding secrets that defy evolution itself. 5 suspicious facts about the platypus. Fact 1. It's a Frankenstein of nature. Part duck, part beaver, part otter, and 100% baffling. When the first specimen arrived in Europe in 1798, experts accused explorers of stitching it together as a prank. Fact 2. Males have venomous spurs on their hind legs. One sting can cripple a human for weeks. But why? Even scientists still debate its purpose. Fact 3. Platypuses don't use sight or sound underwater. They hunt by sensing electric fields from their prey's muscles. A superpower straight out of sci-fi. Fact 4. They're one of only 5 mammals that lay eggs. But here's the twist. Platypus milk oozes from their skin. No nipples, just sweat milk. Fact 5. Their genes are a chaotic mashup. Reptilian, avian, mammalian platypus DNA is a biological jigsaw puzzle that's rewriting evolutionary textbooks. Meet the platypus, a creature so weird it's almost too perfect. Found only in eastern Australia, this elusive enigma spends its days hunting underwater and its nights, well, confusing everyone. Let's dive deeper. Segment 1. Origins and Evolution. The animated timeline of platypus evolution shows a fascinating comparison to dinosaurs and early mammals. Its primitive traits have somehow survived 120 million years. Segment 2. Freaky Biology. Take a close-up look at the electroreceptors in the bill. Segment 3. Behavior and Habitat. Night vision footage reveals the platypus burrowing. Underwater cameras capture it hunting shrimp using electroreception. The threats it faces include habitat loss and climate change, highlighting why conservation matters. Segment 4. Cultural Impact. In the 1800s, newspaper headlines called it a hoax. Perry the platypus from Phineas and Ferb even makes a cameo. Because why not? The platypus also serves as a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife. So is the platypus an alien, a genetic experiment, or just evolution having fun? Like and subscribe. Comment what animals should we cover next.